A visit to the farm. It was Saturday morning. The sun was shining, and the air was fresh. Emma and her class were going on a school trip to the countryside. Their teacher, Mr. Brown, had organized a visit to a farm. Everyone was excited because they would see real animals, tractors, and fields. Emma, I can't wait to see the cows. Tom, and I want to ride on a tractor. Sophie, I hope we can feed the chickens. Mr. Brown, yes, children, today you will see many animals and learn how a farm works. Remember to listen carefully and ask questions. They all climbed onto the big yellow school bus. The seats were full of children laughing, talking, and singing. The bus drove through the city, then past small houses, and finally into the wide green countryside. Arriving at the farm. After 1 hour, the bus stopped in front of a large wooden gate with a sign, Sunny Fields Farm, Welcome. A friendly farmer in overalls and a straw hat stood waiting for them. Farmer, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sunny Fields Farm. My name is Mr. Green. I will be your guide today. Children, good morning, Mr. Green. Mr. Brown, thank you for inviting us. Farmer, it's my pleasure. Now, follow me. We have a lot to see. The children walked behind the farmer. They saw big fields, red barns, and small wooden houses for the animals. The cows. The first stop was the cow field. Big brown and black cows were eating grass. Some were lying down, others were walking slowly. Emma, they are so big. Farmer, yes, cows are gentle animals. They give us milk every day. Tom, how much milk does one cow give? Farmer, a cow can give up to 20 liters of milk in one day. Children, wow! The farmer showed them the barn where cows were milked. A machine helped collect the milk. Farmer, would anyone like to try? Emma, yes, me. Emma carefully touched the cow and helped milk it with Mr. Green's guidance. Emma, laughing it feels funny. Farmer, good job. The chickens. Next, they went to the chicken coop. Dozens of chickens were clucking and pecking at the ground. Some ran around, and others sat quietly. Sophie, they are so cute. Farmer, chickens give us eggs. Every morning, I collect fresh eggs. Tom, can we collect eggs too? Farmer, of course, but be gentle. The children each took 1 egg and carefully put it in a basket. Sophie, this egg is still warm. Farmer, yes, because the chicken just laid it. The children laughed, holding their eggs carefully. The sheep. Then they walked to the sheep pasture. White sheep with thick wool grazed on the grass. Some lambs were running and jumping. Emma, they look so soft. Farmer, sheep give us wool, which we use for clothes. Tom, do you cut the wool? Farmer, yes, we shear the sheep once a year. Let me show you. He showed them big bags of wool stored in the barn. Sophie, can I touch it? Farmer, of course. The wool felt thick and rough. Emma, not as soft as I thought. Farmer, smiling after washing, it becomes very soft. The tractor ride. After seeing the animals, it was time for a tractor ride. The children climbed onto a big red trailer pulled by a tractor. The farmer started the engine, and the tractor moved slowly across the fields. Tom, this is amazing. I love tractors. Emma, look, we can see the whole farm from here. Sophie, the fields are so big. Farmer, yes, we grow corn, wheat, and vegetables here. The tractor ride was bumpy, but everyone laughed and enjoyed it. Lunch on the farm. At noon, they stopped at a picnic area. The farmer's wife had prepared simple food, sandwiches, fruit, milk, and cookies. Farmer's wife, here you go, children. Fresh milk from our cows. Emma, it tastes so different. Better than the milk from the supermarket. Tom, yes, it's sweeter. They ate happily under the trees, listening to birds singing. Learning about farming. After lunch, the farmer showed them how vegetables were grown. He pulled carrots from the ground and showed them tomatoes growing on plants. Farming is hard work, but it's very important. Without farms, people would have no food. Emma, I didn't know farmers worked so much. Tom, yes, it looks difficult. Farmer, but it is also beautiful work. I love being outside with animals and plants. The children listened carefully. They began to understand how important farms are. The end of the visit. In the afternoon, it was time to say goodbye. Mr. Brown, children, what did you learn today? Emma, I learned how cows give milk. Tom, I learned that sheep give wool. Sophie, I learned how to collect eggs. Mr. Brown, excellent. Say thank you to Mr. Green. Children, thank you, Mr. Green. Farmer, you are welcome. Come again anytime. The children waved as they climbed back onto the bus. Reflection. On the way home, Emma looked out of the bus window. Today was special. I saw cows, chickens, and sheep. I rode on a tractor, collected eggs, and drank fresh milk. I learned that farming is hard but very important. I will always remember this trip.